you take me home? Give me with your vibe. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me with your vibe? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on.
Oke, semuanya udah persiapan naik. Yuk kita lanjutkan lagi perjalanannya.
Awas sebentar, ada ketinggalan di sana. Topi.
Kalau nggak salah itu laju Prima 249 itu Insomnia. Dia Jakarta Bojonegoro atau Merak Jakarta Bojonegoro ya. Ya pokoknya itulah. Insomnia artisnya laju Prima 249. Jadi penumpang ini naik dari Kudus turun Tegal. Waduh, pendek sekali. Jadi di sini melakukan pertukaran driver tanpa berhenti. Saya kaget banget, sumpah. Tapi keren sih. Tapi menurut saya bahaya juga ya kalau kayak gitu. Jadi tadi pergantian driver ya. Pergantian driver tidak berhenti. Sedang berjalan harus mengganti driver. Karena sepi, jadi akhirnya saya memutuskan untuk tidur. Dan tiba-tiba udah deket Bandung aja ya. Terlalu lama saya ketiduran, maaf ya guys. Semoga ini bisa menjadi pelajaran bagi saya. sampai di terminal Cicahem dan kita lanjut pulang lah. Oke, mungkin segitu aja video kali ini. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Jangan lupa juga follow Instagram saya di @adifmu. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Jadi kesimpulannya semuanya keren banget sih. Cuman mungkin karena tolnya sepi jadi saya kebanyakan tidur. Jadi ini revisi dari saya. Untuk semuanya sih udah bagus banget. Servis makannya juga mantap. Terus unitnya juga mantap. Mungkin itu murni kesalahan saya karena saya ketiduran. Oke, semoga saya bisa remedial kembali Kobelco dengan jatah Bandung Jepara. Oke, mantap, sukses terus buat Sahalah. Ini menurut saya menjadi trip dari Bandung yang paling nyaman menurut saya.